Kamov Ka-50. The Kamov Ka-50 Black Shark is a Russian single-seat attack helicopter with the distinctive coaxial rotor system of the Kamov Design Bureau. It was designed in the 1980s and adopted for service in the Russian Army in 1995. It is manufactured by the Progress Company in Arsenyev. It is used as a heavily armed scout helicopter. It is the world's first operational helicopter with a rescue ejection system. The Ka-50 is the production version of the V-80 SH-1 prototype. Production of the attack helicopter was ordered by the Soviet Council of Ministers on December 14, 1987. Development of the helicopter was first reported in the West in 1984, while the first photograph appeared in 1989. During operational testing from 1985 to 1986, the workload on the pilot was found to be similar to that of a fighter-bomber pilot, such that the pilot could perform both flying and navigation duties. Like other Kamov helicopters, it features Kamov's characteristic coaxial contrarotating rotor system, which removes the need for the entire tail rotor assembly and improves the aircraft's aerobatic qualities. It can perform loops, rolls and the funnel, circle strafing, where the aircraft maintains a line of sight to the target while flying circles of varying altitude, elevation, and airspeed around it. The omission of the tail rotor is a qualitative advantage, because the torque-countering tail rotor can use up to 30% of engine power. The Ka-50's entire transmission presents a comparatively small target-to-ground fire. For improved pilot survivability, the Ka-50 is fitted with a NPP Zvezda, translate star, K37-800 ejection seat, which is a rare feature for a helicopter. Before the rocket in the ejection seat deploys, the rotor blades are blown away by explosive charges in the rotor disc and the canopy is jettisoned. Following initial flight testing and system tests, the Council ordered the first batch of helicopters in 1990. The attack helicopter was first described publicly as the Ka-50 in March 1992 at a symposium in the United Kingdom. The helicopter was unveiled at the Mozilla Show 92 at Zhukovsky in August 1992. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Footprints for more videos.